dream job blueprint. See, if you see this slide, there are total 3 areas. They are candidate skills, job profile, and the industry requirements. See, every industry has its own requirements. Being IT industry will be having its own set of requirements, okay, and you will have to align to those set of requirements as a candidate, okay. Candidate skills. Every candidate will be having his own set of attributes, okay. He will be having a particular skill set. Every candidate will have a specific skill set. He may be good at some things, he may not be good at some things, like he will be having a specific skill set, right? Similarly, every job profile, that means every job that is advertised by a company will be having its own set of requirements, okay. Not every job will have the same requirement, right? Every role will have a different set of requirements. Now, as a candidate, your motto should be like you should pick a role where your skills and the industry skills and the skills that are required for the job profile advertised, all these three converge. You got it right. You have to pick up a spot where your skills and the industry skills and the skills that are required for the advertised job profile, all of them converge at a common point, okay. This would be your mojo, okay. You have to select that kind of role, then you could excel in your career, okay.